shouting until you're hoarse, understanding this colorful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, shout oneself hoarse. This expression is not only vivid but also packed with meaning, and understanding it can add a fun layer to your English conversations. So, let's get into it. When someone says they shout themselves hoarse, they're using a figure of speech that means speaking or shouting so loudly or for so long that their voice becomes rough or weak, and they can hardly speak anymore. The word hoarse here is key, as it refers to a voice that is rough and possibly difficult to hear, often because of too much strain, like shouting or illness. This phrase vividly describes the physical consequence of excessive shouting or vocal strain. The phrase, shout oneself hoarse, can be traced back to situations where people had to raise their voice to be heard over long distances or over noise, without the aid of modern technology like microphones or megaphones. Today, it's used both literally and figuratively in various contexts. For example, someone might use it literally after attending a loud concert or sporting event. Figuratively, it can express a great deal of effort put into trying to be heard or understood, perhaps in a debate or when trying to convince someone of something. To help you grasp how to use shout oneself hoarse, let's look at some examples. 1. I shouted myself hoarse at the football game last night cheering for my team. Literal use. 2. He tried to explain the importance of climate change and shouted himself hoarse, but it felt like nobody was listening. Figurative use. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe both physical and metaphorical situations where someone has gone to great lengths to express themselves. Understanding phrases like shout oneself hoarse not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you appreciate the colorful and expressive nature of the English language. We hope this explanation helps you in your journey to mastering English, and perhaps you'll find the perfect moment to use this phrase yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into English expressions and vocabulary. See you in the next video.